Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So, I wanted to share with you a project I did in December. I didn't record the process, but we celebrated my mom's 70th birthday every day for the month of December. She had joked last year because it was a big birthday that she wanted a gift, she wanted to do something every day. Well, the pandemic happened, and obviously, we couldn't do everything we wanted to, but we were still able to celebrate it. So I created her a book with pictures and everything for each day. I just like the way that picture looked, and I highlighted the 27th because that's her birth date. And then I'm going to start with day one, and we're just going to flip through real quick. So each day in the very beginning, she got different treats and things that she likes, like her favorite candy, her favorite drinks, or she's not a soda person, but she likes chai tea. So she got some chai tea, some Swedish fishes. This one's like a cookie and a Twizzlers. And then we started with the gifts. And she got some gift cards and books and a filing cabinet that she always wanted. So, like, each day there was a birthday card and a gift, and it was me, my dad, my aunt, her sister, and a friend of mine, my crafty BFF on YouTube here, Beatrice. We all got together, we put money in together, and we got her all these gifts. Okay, so every day, and sometimes it wasn't really big gifts, but some were gift cards, and all the gift cards and monetary gift that you'll see was all basically $70 because it was her 70th birthday, so it coincided. So I'm just flipping through, and each day I've numbered it, and there's room for her if she wants to write messages or um, anything to herself. She can do that in here. Now, the 25th, I just put the Christmas tree because we didn't do a birthday gift because it was actually Christmas Day. Now, this part here, I'm covering up with my hand. My friend Beatrice and I both wrote letters to her for her birthday. And so those are in right before the date. And then this is the cake and the gift she got on that day. So that's all just photos of everything that she got each day. And then a pocket thing there that she can put other stuff in as well. And then she saved every card that I gave her. So a lot of these cards you guys will remember because I've created them on this channel. So basically it's like day 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that one was like day 15, but it was a bigger card, so it was by itself. And then all these are A2 size cards, so they don't fully fit into the sleeves, but it's a good way to hold it up until then. You guys remember that card? She got it for the actual birth date, the 27th. So, and then these are all cards that were mailed in or given to her from family members, friends, stuff like that. So I got them in here too. So it's all together in one book. And then at the very end, this is the card that our crafting group gave her for her birthday, because she's the last one in our crafting group that has a birthday every year. So yeah, so that's the book. I was thinking maybe putting like a 70 on the front. I think she wants me to put a label on the side for, to label the booklet, itself. I don't know. I got to figure out what's going to be the best way to make it look the nicest. So, yeah. Maybe I'll cut out a vinyl 70th or something. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Now, this card here I wanted to show you because this was our Friday card. So it'll be at the end for the suggested videos. So definitely check it out if you've missed it. And please, feel free to like, subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell so that way you get an alert whenever I'm uploading new content. And yeah, so thank you guys. I just wanted to share real quick what I was up to, and I hope you guys had a great holiday season as well. And stay safe. COVID is still out there, okay? All right. See you with the next video.